So this is how we're gonna make the buttons. This is how we're gonna stitch the buttons. You're gonna search this thing. So this is how it's gonna be. So we're gonna be doing it to the needle like this. Like this. And we do like this. And Allah is the greatest. And Allah is what? The greatest. So we go to the buttons place. I didn't mark well, so I came back to mark it well, understand? So this is how it's gonna be. So this is how it's gonna be. Here is the buttons. So we're gonna be stitching in this ways. And we're gonna put it inside this like this. Now put it on the back. And Allah is the greatest. And Allah is more great. And Allah knows the best. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Hayya ala salat. Hayya ala salat. Hayya ala falah. Hayya ala falah. Qad qamat salat. Qad qamat salat. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. So this is how we're gonna do this all, right?